Interest-only loans. An interest-only loan is a loan where only interest is paid. At the end of the loan, the interest must be repaid in full. So in the first example, Deb borrows $200,000 to buy a house in Warragul. She negotiates an interest-only loan for this amount at an interest rate of 5.2% per annum compounded monthly. What is the monthly amount that Deb will be required to pay? So we let V0 be the principal of the loan, let R be the interest rate per compounding period, let D be the regular payment per compounding period, and for interest-only loans, payment equals the interest charged. So D, which is also known as the common difference, equals R divided by 100 multiplied by the principal. So therefore, we substitute the values, 5.2% being per annum, then we divide that by the number of months we have in a year, which is 12, divided by 100, then multiplied by the initial value of $200,000. We end up getting $866.67 to 2 decimal places per month. Interest-only loans on the class pad. So N is equivalent to the total number of payments, I percentage is the annual interest rate, PV is the present value of the investment, okay, the amount that the bank has given to you. So you enter this as a positive number. PMT is the amount paid at each payment, therefore it is a negative value. So this is the amount that you owe to the bank each month, so enter it as a negative number. FV is the future value of the loan or investment, amount that you owe to the bank, so enter as a negative number. PY is the number of payments per year. CY is the number of times interest is compounded per year. It is almost always the same as PY. So in the first example here, we have Bijou borrows $300,000 at 7.5% per annum compounding monthly. He intends not to pay back any of the principal. What will his monthly payment on this interest-only loan be? So let's go. N, number of payments, is 1. The reason being is that we just want to know the monthly payment. The interest rate is 7.5. The amount being borrowed from Bijou is $300,000. The future value, because we're only referring to the monthly payment, is negative $300,000, and PYCY is 12. When we hit PMT, we get the following: negative $1,875. So therefore the monthly payments are $1,875. Example 2. Anna borrows $250,000 at a certain rate of interest per annum compounding monthly. So already we know what we're trying to find, the interest rate she is paying. She intends not to pay back any of the principal. Her monthly payment on this interest-only loan is $1,041.67. So there we have it. What interest rate is she paying? We substitute what we know. We know N equals 1. PV is the amount being borrowed, which is $250,000. Please note that it is positive. The amount that Anna is paying per month is $1,041.67, therefore that's negative. The future value is also negative, so negative $250,000. PY and CY is 12. We hit the interest button and we get the following. So 2 decimal places, that would be 5%. So the interest rate is 5%.